Warm welcome to the course on replicate and transform data using Oracle Cloud Infrastructure GoldenGate 23x. So this course we'll be using the latest version of GoldenGate 23x on the database 26 AI, and we'll be using the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So this course has three parts. The first part is transaction replication between the source and target database. That will be one. It includes the setup and demonstration. Number two is bidirectional replication between the source and target database, the bidirectional replication. And the third one is data transformation with Golden Gate as such. And as I said earlier, we'll be using the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So you need to have the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure access along with Golden Gate access as well, so that you'll be truly benefited from this course. So table is created. Let's see on the target side whether this table is created or not. So here it is. The table is created on the target side. So now let's say I want to insert some data. I'm going to insert on the source side. If you do that insert, it should get replicated into the target side. Yeah, one row is inserted. So now we will. Here it is. So whatever has been inserted over here, it gets replicated on the target side and the specified schema. So this is particularly after if the database is in sync, then I mean the source and target side is in sync and all the setups are done for the Golden Gate, then whatever you perform on the source side gets replicated on the target side, whether that row has been inserted or not. Yeah, perfect. So SRC OCI GLL is the source side schema. So for identification, we have made it SRC mirror at the target side and SRC at the source side. So perfectly it is working. It is syncing. Whether you insert from the source side gets replicated at the target side, and if you insert at the target side, it gets replicated at the source end as well. Got to run it manually. The other one is yeah, you can also schedule a run. So to do that, yes, you can create a workflow, data flows, whatever you created. So I've just dragged and dropped. I've dropped a zeros are for Mr. and one is for Mrs. If it is two, then it is Miss. So this will get transformed. Actually, it will get transformed and loaded into this table. And similar last name, similarly customer name and dear. So these are, otherwise it is direct mapping, except here we are doing a transformation, data transformation. So this is after you have what replicated the data in the target side. After you replicated the data and you want to do a data transformation, so this way you can do it. So as of now, yes, in this table there is no data, and let's now we will run the job um, and get to workflow, and then all you need to do is start it, uh, say yes. So this is 13, job 13 is created. So now you got to go to projects and go to job 13. So job 13 is done. You can check or inserted 33 counts has come, data cleaning is done, and the load transform has been done. So now you go to SQL and go to TRG customer and see what is the data you are having. If you look at the data, you particularly focus on the dear field. So you have all the zeros has been replaced with Mr. And then one, wherever one was there, it is replaced by MSR, and wherever other than that, it is Miss. And similarly, customer name, we got both of them merged together. Customer name, similar.